this chapter video, we will learn how to implement user authentication and authorization. It includes new user registration, user logging in and logging out, etc. First, let's create new user model in the backend folder inside the models folder. Create a new file named user.js. First, import Mongoose Node package on the top. Next step, define user schema variable by using mongoose.schema function. Inside the function, define its properties as the following. First one is name. Set type equals to string. Set required equals to true, followed by string value. If name value is empty, it will display the error message. Please enter your name. Set max length to 30, followed by string value. If the length of name value is more than 30 characters, it will display the error message. Name cannot exceed 30 characters. Next one is email. Email property is identical to name property, except it has a unique value to true. This means later on, we will run query search based on email address. After email, it is the password. Here we set mini length instead of max length. Set select to false. It means if we run query search, the result will not include password value. It is a good practice in securing database data. Next one is role. We assign it a default value as a user. There are other types of users such as admin, editor, etc. Next one is created at. Type is date format. It has default value as current time and date. The last two properties are reset password token and reset password expire. In the end, export the Mongoose schema. Give it a name, user, capital case. We almost finished user model, but there is one issue we need to get attention. It's property value validation. In user model, we need to validate email property. Make sure user entered validate email address. Here we use validator node library to do the good work. Open terminal window. Type command npm install validator. Next, import validator library on the top. Inside the email property, add validation statement. If you are not familiar with validator library, make sure to check their documentation. It has a huge amount of validator method. Now we have created user model. Next video, we will talk about how to encrypt user password.